If you are currently single, you live alone, and you are child free, I'm telling you, it's top tier. There's no better feeling than that. And we're going to talk about it today in this video. But before I get into the video, please tap that like button. Please tap that comment button. Please tap that subscribe button. But most importantly, tap in the guides, tap into the source. Sometimes we don't realize how blessed we really are. We're waiting for the big breakthrough to come through. We're waiting on God to send the big one, when we really need to be reflecting on the simple things that we have that are all blessings. If you are single nowadays, it's top tier. Because a lot of people can't stand alone. A lot of people are not able to fund their own lifestyle. A lot of people need a group, an entourage, a crew. If you live alone, when you put your key in your door, you have peace. There's so many people that put their key in their door every day and they don't have peace, guys. I can't imagine having that feeling of going to where I rest my head at night and not having peace every day. That's not the way that chosen ones are supposed to live. So if you live alone, of course you're going to have peace. You just deal with you. You just clean up after you. And those chosen ones that are child free, if you're child free in these days and times, it's top tier. It's top tier. Nobody can tell me differently. I look at it like this. You're going to either be single, child free, live alone, or you're going to be happily married to someone that was sent to you by God. Y'all both have the same vision. It's either or. If you do not have either or, then there's work to be done. Let me say that again. If you do not have either or, it's work to be done. And I'm telling you, a lot of people do not have either or. They don't. This is why they're walking around miserable, looking for company. Most people cannot say that they're 100% happy with their lives. A lot of people out here are chasing validation from the world. Their entertainment is not meditation, prayer, doing things that are going to elevate them. That's not their focus. Their focus is doing worldly things. I know a few people that all they're concerned about is going to every concert that comes to town. I've never seen anything like it, guys. I can only think of a handful of people that I would even want to see in concert. But every concert that comes to town, they're just rushing to get tickets to go see it. And I don't never count anybody's money, but these same people, are they building generational wealth? Do they have thousands and millions of dollars in their bank account? What are they doing with their money? When you are single, live alone, and child free, you have time to praise God. You have time to yourself. You have time to meditate. You have time to go work out whenever you want to work out. You can go and come as you please. Nobody can tell me that ain't top tier. That's top tier. And the same thing if you're happily married with somebody that shares your vision. That's top tier. But a lot of people that are married, they just there just to be there. They're not really happy. You know how many times when I was working a 9 to 5, guys, it would be people just talking about their significant other at work, like a dog. And I've worked around a lot of people. I mean, doctors, lawyers, entrepreneurs. And they'll be talking about their spouse at work like a dog. I guess it is cheaper to keep her. I had somebody basically tell me that it was cheaper to keep his wife because apparently he didn't have a prenup. And they had been married so long, you know, which is sad. So he'd just rather be miserable in that relationship, go home every day and be miserable. It's sad. That cannot be a chosen one's life. Our peace can never be for sale. Our peace can never be negotiated. Our peace is a priority. A lot of people are not making peace a priority in these days and times. How are you going to go all the way to the top, guys, if you don't have peace? That's why I told y'all in one of the last videos I did, I just want to get some land on some acreage, some real acreage, guys, and just have peace. I don't want to even be able to see my neighbor. That's how I was getting to the point. I don't want to even see a neighbor. That's peace. If you living that way right now, you got peace. Thank God you have that lifestyle. But in conclusion to this video, if you are single right now, you have peace. If you live alone, you have peace. Look around you. Other people that are close to you that don't live alone, they don't have no peace. And definitely, if you're child free, you can make some moves. Children are a blessing. I'm not going to sit up here and say you got kids and you know it's just over for you. No. But if you are child free, you're free to make moves. You're free to set yourself up to have children one day and set them up for generational wealth. Use being child free to your advantage. And just know whoever you pick to marry and have kids with can make or break your life. And until the next video, guys, go to sleep with a dream and wake up with a purpose. Peace.